So you want fast results. But what if I told you that there's one small mistake that's making weight loss extremely hard? It keeps you hungry, tired, and stuck in cravings. And you've probably never been told this before. Once you see this, you'll never eat a meal the same way again. So stay till the end and fix this starting today. So what's the real problem? What's really holding you back? Here's the mistake that most people never hear. And no, it's not eat less or move more. The answer is simple. It is the way you eat your meals. What you eat first decides if you stay full and in control or stay hungry and ruin your results. So here's what most people do wrong. They jump straight into the carbohydrates. And I'm not just talking about ordering a side of fries. I'm talking about the stuff you think is healthy. So you sit down, you're about to have a lunch, and what do you instinctively grab first? Maybe it's taking the first bite of a whole grain tortilla or bread, or starting your lunch with rice or pasta. Or maybe you're having a smoothie or a fruit-heavy juice, thinking it's the perfect way to get your vitamins quick. It's a healthy start, right? Here's the catch. Most fruits usually have sugars that hit your bloodstream immediately, which leads to massive glucose spike. You might believe you're being healthy, but by letting these carbs be the very first thing your empty stomach processes, you're creating what I call the glucose roller coaster. This makes rapid sugar spikes, which sends your blood sugar plunging soon after, creating powerful cravings that are hard to beat and leaving you exhausted, wondering why you just ate so much. So what's the fix? You don't need to eat less. You don't need to cut out all your favorite foods. You just need to change the order you eat them. Here's the simple rule. Fiber first, protein second, carbs last. That's it. One small change, but huge difference. When you start your meal with fiber, like vegetables, salad, or green beans, you slow down digestion right away. This keeps your blood sugar stable and calms your hunger. Then you eat your protein, like chicken, eggs, fish, beef, or Greek yogurt. This locks in fullness and tells your body, we're satisfied. And lastly, you eat your carbs, rice, bread, pasta, potatoes, or fruit. This is a great way to order foods in every meal, and if you start implementing this, you'll notice your energy becomes steady, and your cravings will remain quiet. Same foods, same meal, but totally different results. So, how does this actually look like on your plate? Let's make it simple. Imagine you're eating a normal lunch: chicken, rice, and vegetables. Most people start with rice and chicken. Big mistake. Instead, you start with the vegetables first. A few bites of salad, broccoli, or any veggies you have. Next, you eat your protein, chicken. This keeps you full and stops overeating before it even starts. And last, you eat your carbs, rice, bread, or potatoes. Now your body handles those carbs much better. No crash, no wild cravings. But here's the real question. Does this mean you can't enjoy your food or mix anything together anymore? No, not at all. You don't have to always eat like this. But just keep attention to those first few bites. What's interesting is that even those first few smart bites can calm your hunger, control blood sugar, and stop overeating later in the meal. But of course, it's better if you can eat everything separated and in the right order. And now, here's the bonus that makes this rule simple to follow. So these are the best sources to eat first at every meal, so you never have to guess. First, start with fiber-rich veggies. These are your hunger killers. They slow digestion and control blood sugar. Just pick one or two from the list. That's enough. Next, focus on protein-rich foods. These keep you full and protect your muscle while you lose fat. Again, choose what you like from the table. No need to be perfect. And last, you'll see the top carb sources to eat after fiber and protein. You're not cutting carbs, you're just timing them smarter. Here's the practical tip. Think about your next meal. Look at these foods and choose which ones you can add. Build your plate using these sources. One fiber, one protein, then your carbs. Save these foods and use them at every meal. If this video helped you control your hunger or made your diet finally feel easier, make sure you hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me if this changed the way you eat. I read everything. But if you're serious about losing fat, don't stop here. I made a full video breaking down the exact diet that helps you burn fat consistently, without starving, without cutting out everything, and without quitting after 2 weeks. See you there.